right, so here's a walkthrough of the renovations or updates that we're doing to the townhouse that we're gonna put on the market. There's obviously some patchwork for the nails of where the things were hanging up on the walls. I'm just gonna get some paint in the coming week. These countertops are also being replaced. So there'll be new countertops. And then I'll also be swapping out the appliances. And again, even some settling cracks and stuff like that have been patched. And we'll get a fresh coat of paint. Another thing that'll also be happening is all the carpets will be replaced. So you can kind of see here in the primary downstairs, again, in addition to patchwork, the carpet will be replaced. And then I believe in here, I believe some of this molding from when the dog chewed on it, I believe that's gonna get fixed. And then the shower is also gonna be resurfaced. Actually, I think it actually has already been resurfaced by the looks of that. Oh yeah, so the shower has already been resurfaced. So that looks pretty good. I'll check out the one upstairs too. So slowly but surely. Oh yeah, there's also a new HVAC unit that has been fixed now too. This is the new HVAC unit. In this bathroom, yep, this has been resurfaced already as well. Yep, this looks really good too. And again, carpets will be done, I believe up here in these upstairs bedrooms. But yep, there you have it.